This is what every West Coast resident needs right now, because the West Coast of the United States and Canada are experiencing hot, dry weather and an extreme drought this summer. And there are several large wildfires burning in Northern California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, and British Columbia. We could use help from the global 747-400 supertanker. Unfortunately, they won't fly it because 1, it costs a lot of money, and 2, there is only one supertanker against several large wildfires burning on the West Coast. This particular fireplane is one of several aerial firefighting air tankers derived from various Boeing 747 models. This aircraft is rated to carry up to approximately 2,000 gallons of fire retardant or water. This is the largest firefighting aircraft in the world. All the way back in November of 2018, this supertanker was deployed to Northern California to assist with the out-of-control campfire. Actually, according to Wikipedia, this aircraft is retired as of this year. As of this year, global supertanker services began facing financial difficulties, and as of April, the company shut down. They sold this aircraft to National Freight to be converted into a cargo aircraft. So this aircraft is history. It would be very nice if we had more than just one, because since they retired this one, the only one, there is now no big enough air tanker to easily put out a big wildfire, like you see in my drawing right here. I drew all this myself. So that is all I want to say in this video. I hope you understand how I feel about this not being in service anymore, and hopefully this may bring inspiration to future supertankers. So thanks for watching, and feel free to comment, like, subscribe. Have a good night, everybody, and see you tomorrow.